Non-slip ridges create a secure fit in any bottle openings. Designed to allow airflow, which prevents splashing. Set includes 4 ounces/120 milliliters funnel, 16 ounces/475 milliliters funnel and strainer. Strainer snaps securely inside both funnels. BPA-free construction withstands hot liquids. All pieces nest for compact storage. The OXO Good Grips 3-piece multi-purpose funnel set is ideal for tasks like funneling salt into a shaker or straining kombucha or chicken stock. It includes a large, 16 ounces/475 milliliters, and small, 4 ounces/120 milliliters, funnel and a detachable strainer that snaps into both. The high-heat, BPA-free plastic can withstand hot liquids like soups and stocks. The non-slip ribs on the necks are engineered to create a secure fit in all bottles and allow air to escape so liquids don't splash when poured in. Soft, non-slip handles provide a comfortable grip. All pieces are dishwasher safe and nest together for compact storage. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. It flat out amazes me that it's so hard to find a vented funnel on Amazon. There are few for transferring viscous fluids into a wide mouth container, but I wanted something with a smaller tip to pour distilled water from a gallon jug into a Neilmed bottle. I'm old enough that it's awkward to hold the funnel with one hand and pour with the other. A standard funnel with no ribs or grooves to allow air to escape around the insertion will keep water from dropping through unless you pour really slowly. What I've been doing is to drape a metal spring clip over the bottle top to break the air seal, but that causes the funnel to wobble, and I've knocked it over a few times. This is exactly what I needed.